Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. If you've been watching a while, you know I always say thank you for watching at the end of my videos, and that's because I mean it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for giving me a thumbs up. Well, I'm telling you right now in the beginning of this video, thank you, because we just reached 1,000 subscribers. Now, for me in this channel, that's just a huge milestone. I'm excited. I'm happy to see 1,000 subscribers on this channel. I'm pumped up. So I'm going to do a carving for you guys today. I hope you'll stick around and see it to the end. Thanks. Alright, so like I already said, this video is for you guys, and so here it is. This awesome 1,000 subscribers plaque I just carved. Added some red paint, you know, for a awesome YouTube effect. This this sign's gonna hang up in the shop. Just a reminder of the first 1,000 people that subscribed to my channel. Like I said, this is just a big milestone for me. I'm really excited about it. I just can't thank you guys enough, you know, for the support and all the subs. Just awesome. Thank you. So I got one more thing for you guys coming up this week. Not sure exactly when, but sometime within the next week or so, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Now, in order to be in that, you're gonna have to follow my Facebook page. Alright everybody, so you're probably thinking, what the heck just happened, right? The video just like changed, different clothes, different scenery. I know I said the giveaway is going to be on the Facebook page, but it's not. I'm going to do it right here on YouTube. All you got to do is comment below this video in the description. I don't care. Comment something so your name pops up and you will go in the drawing. Now, that really some of the only stipulations I got is you've got to be in the US. You got to have a shipping address here in the US, in the States, so I can ship this thing to you. I'm not really sure how it would work shipping it overseas with customs, and I just don't really know at this time. You know, hopefully in the future I can get something figured out so everybody can be involved. Just for right now though, it's kind of going to be for US residents only. Sorry everybody else. I know I've got some viewers from all over, and listen, I really appreciate your views, and I will be working on figuring something else out for our next giveaway in the future. But for now, if you want to be entered in this, just comment below this video. Let's continue on. Real quick here before I go, put this down. I'm going to set this up here so you guys can see it. This is what we're going to give away. Little bear, just a little guy. Nothing crazy, you know, but it's my work. Carved him with the chainsaw, finished him up, did a little paint, and this here's the little guy I'll give away for reaching the 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. So again, I just can't thank you guys enough. I'm really excited to see what the next 1,000 subscribers brings us. Some new videos in the future, having some more fun, doing a lot of talking, doing some teaching, making some cool stuff. Hope you guys will stick around for that, and I'll see you next time.